The guns were stored correctly, and I had audio and video, so they took my computers. So I suppose we'll just keep going and going.
Yeah, I'm certainly not here to discuss it.
Okay.
I wasn't the reporting or arresting officer, reporting officer. So all I'm here to do is obviously, in regards to, obviously you're still a suspect for the offence of the breaching licence condition.
Yeah.
And they still have not got obtained.
Can't, mate. This is the third time. You can't because it is not. It doesn't come under Section 31 of the Act. You can't do it.
Which states, what is Section 31?
Section 31, right, I've just woken up, Section 31 says that you can take my bloody damn well DNA if it is an offence, right, under the Act that DNA will have make some difference to. It must be signed by a senior sergeant, and it should be taken before the courts, and the courts should have the opportunity to make sure that's the case. The suspect procedure under the Suspect Procedures Act, that's what it allows. It's the second time. If you try doing it again, I'm going to resist. You'll have to arrest me again, and then you'll go down again. Why don't you go and read the fucking law and find out what's going on? All right? Because I'll go and get the copy of the Act if you like me to.
No, that's fine. If that's your interpretation, I'm only asking.
It's not my interpretation. The courts have interpreted it, and so is the fucking lawyers.
So I'm just saying you are a suspect in an offence. Okay, you breach the licence conditions.
No, I haven't. No. Suspect.
According to the reporting officers,
yeah,
you've breached the licence conditions because they found insecure firearms. I'm not here to discuss whether you did or didn't.
Okay.
And obviously, for that offence, your DNA needs to be taken.
It took me in and took my fucking DNA illegally,
which was invalid.
Including. No. They took me in again, mate, and took my DNA. They took my DNA, they took my fingerprints, they photographed my tattoos, they fucking stripped me and strip searched me, and that was illegal as well, but they've taken it again, that hasn't been destroyed. So you can't take it a fucking third time, and secondly, if you go and read the legislation, you can't either. I'm sure you guys have got a fucking lawyer you can ring right now, or someone that knows what the fuck's going on in your organisation, or I'll go and get it and show and read it to you if you give me a minute to print it off.
I'm just telling you, a valid DNA sample has not been taken from you.
It has twice, and secondly, you have no fucking right at law to take one. Do you want me? I've written articles about it that are being published around Australia. Would you want me to go and get one?
Well, under Forensic Law Procedures Act, your DNA needs to be taken.
No, it does not, mate, because you don't know your fucking law.
Because you have committed an offence.
No, I have not, because the offence has to be the taking off.
Can I just say something quite quickly, though?
Absolutely.
You're calling him a suspect in an offence, so how can he's not been found guilty of the offence?
No,
and that's why he's a suspect.
A suspect procedure is allowed to be taken if the procedure is going to make a difference to the outcome. Right? And it doesn't make a difference to the outcome because the guns were mine and I've said they're mine. Okay? They've had to destroy it twice. You're going to have to fucking arrest me. Right, and you have to do this with force, and then it's going to go back to court and you do it again. I'll go and get the law and show it to you, mate.
Mark, I'm not. If you calm down, I'll just explain.
Yeah.
I was just going to ask you if you would willingly partake in a DNA sample, okay?
Yeah.
Because like I said, you're still a suspect. It's due back in court. On this matter's due back in court on the 17th of this month, okay?
Tomorrow, it's fucking Thursday.
Why don't you just wait till tomorrow?
And you'll lose in that court case. And if the guy's put an affidavit in and I go to jail, I've got fucking video footage of every time you come here. You can't keep doing this shit, mate. Seriously, you're coppers. You took a fucking oath to do the right thing. You know you did. Now, this is rubbish. Go back and talk to someone, mate.
I am not here to argue with you, mate. What happens in court has got nothing to do. I said I wasn't the reporting officer. I'm just here to ask you if you're willing to partake in a DNA sample, which has not been taken, because an invalid one was taken. I'm asking if you're willing to take...
They took me into the police station, took another one, mate. They've still got that, okay? So if you want to try and take a third one, no, I'm not going to come.
Well, that's fine, and that's what I'm asking. That's all I'm here to ask you, mate.
Okay, no worries.
So what I'll ask you to do now, I'm giving you a direction, when it's suitable with you, to attend the Elizabeth Police Station, okay, to have a forensic procedure carried out.
It's never going to be. I'm never going to do it, mate.
You're never going to do it?
No.
All right, so me giving you a direction is not going to make any difference. If I said to you,
because the law does not allow it. All right, the law does not allow it. This has been discussed twice.
Okay. All right, and also, mate,